Prez.Mahama me si na me ka kiro Gyimii no. Gyae no mana.
Abuza from mamu nyina makwaba e de bagana and TV so. But omo dey so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no what turn on notifications say be next time. Videos of this nature eba also sabit makabi na so watch your comment section ho. Maybe whom be from Mr. President Amejo so TikTok or comment section ho. By be whom be from Mr. President Amejo so. Ko yin na dream say that chi bia no e betim the new patriotic party aba power. Na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we dey. The need to Sudan say man we need that chi bia. Na the bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne ye no. So wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa. The moment I be hold the public office, and say who say you own it a responsibility. I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement. Nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra, momi enko. Ni enko ko video bi mra. Na video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary guy, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Women commerce is here.
Prez.Mahama me si na me ka kiro Gyimii no. Gyae no mana wo ye no. Anya me ka kiro so bi nka kiro wa me ka kiro. No mana wo ye na nye. What's it? What's it make I say the onya Gyimii no. What sorry oh. What you ma pay ba jo. Ba jo ba shada bisrawo. Me yere nyim e pa ucho de fa chabe be pa ucho. E me chim ai bisrawo. Hwe wunyam follow me am si follow me no wasam ka kire wo na no pay. Fa nsa bo prasa no so ne follow me. Na like video na share video we ba bi biala wo se ko bia share na nko. Me wasam ka kire wo na no pay. Hwe Prez.Mahama on adwene a wodi bedi president no me ka kire wo sadi we me hu from afar se bre na Prez.Mahama ye to abama na wo ba for revenge me nada wo me hu kan afar if you say
Ghana de ye de ba be ye adwuma na wotwe mu parliament je budget ntuma sa na aban we pese de ba akada
me hu NDC 2 times among winning a election 2008 and 2024 me hu election winning ya man intra mu opponent so man fatamudie man attack mu opponent serious ansana mu winning da me hu bi da 2024 winning way wo man pen pesa me catch you say and sama wo kan a wo di winning wo pa chese je no kre anase nye no kre wo so di attack any atoro akohwie any sama enim na no party for mutugu wo man pen an wote so anase na mutumi anwini ati DNT any esi ano de wo sa ba ya wo be hye otimu say wo winning wo lose no eye sa no man na ma wo lose nti wo ma kwan bi wo yaw ai wo mu say president otiakunwa so wo lose enti wo hu bi da game ma politician for wo bia pray ansana what to benya power wo dia ja lose enti wo hu bi da game ma politician for wo bia pray ansana what to benya power wo dia ja pa chese wo dia wo ye kronkron enti ya di ntoato so enti ya yawo no ehye omu so de be ya manfo hwe wo di sa adwen no edi bu mampani ma me ka che on se obe fail enti sisan wadwene hwe wo party mpanimfo ai wo ma wo se wo mo adwen ye adwuma omo nim nyansa wo party ni ade a wo ye no omo mfo awo so agi wo ma fe no maba mu a wo manya appointment a wo mo pa bibi ana wo mo ba kew apart from that obi amakew hwe se adwen papa na wo say 24-hour economy wo be ye na wo dia ya adwuma na mabunu anya adwuma ya enka abayo office no nko wa lay foundation na mo serious I was say enka we ka we ni problem ka woni problem for agenda 11 kwa hospital se wotumi wia enka dwuma pa enka mebu benya wa ekrom ha no enka beye enka nya dwuma kotoa asu ni nyina la wadi agu ho ana jedem yebo abaso na ye wode ya besrew sa wo kan man for kasabo ahye wo uyam no me pa wo chew enye solution if say wankasa ba wo ba power no ekwan afa so ba power no wankasa wini atemudi a wa opanimu kura fi wanu ma ba wadi ni ade anti ne obi di atama wo chenzi no obi adi Ghana sika na wo be che no me akwasi ametia mebo wa baso 100%. Ba se obi be kasa pa wo be che ne de o mampani e de anya adwuma me ka kire wo anya adwuma ne anya adwuma china
edemano unya Kamila Al-Hassan ayi teacher ni yo se hwan ya woni akora bi de ba yi o de ne betina ho sopa na wo DJ K unim se atintenhu ta woto na wuhwiri treasure unim se atintenhu eta woto na wuhwiri treasure onzo obi anka bi ma o DJ K onzo obi anka bi ma sa na wiase ne tie so obi asamba fa we afutuo obi asamba susuka na wunnim de da wanim obi asamba susuka na me me sreba wo se ebi mu be defend no wo be defend DJ K sasai enim guase we ya wagu ne ho DJ K nya ni pa asem wo ka no okromu a me se me DJ K no minim de ntia me se me kasa wakama asem me wakama asem ya asa ne ye nya nipa asa ye de ne ye mfura busuam ene de wo me se baby a wo no ankasa no baby a isu no ko fine na faye somebody can catch us say afaye pa enti ne yentimi enka no se de nka ese ye ka no ene wo nti Kamila Al-Hassan ocha krom ha chese DJ K na wo ni nyansa se ne hwan wo krom ha so obi ya na ade na wonti ase a memfa ne se nipa ne sabi onim de wo ye unim nyansa se ne hwan wo krom ha on say so tam yesi wo platform ne so a ya na memfiu utam me a me nua ba political babies esi wo platform ne so a on say ya na yemfiu ya na ho yesre ya na video ni ehwe ni say ya ene de ho na ho hye ho no ene una wo hye ho no me say Kamila Al-Hassan baby owo bia ne kra ene ne kra ni beba ne ho so ne kra ni beje na explanation be na de beba abonten enra me ye video ba akoma na eno ne part 1 we ye part 2 me twen so obesa ba abonten abekeka obeti aden na mumu bi munya nipa munsusu DJ K Mrs. wa we are nsem a o ka fa me ho DJ K and then na o hye ho no next time ufu akokwa a obefre no alolo ewiase na ho kwa ene ewiase no ensa emmeka wo no yenkoka no ano a emmeka wo no yenkoka no Kamila Al-Hassan video ba wo si obia wo ho kwan se video ba abonti on be kirechiro ma adwene ene wo so de aba ye be kirechirem ye de pen ni paper beto ho na wo kra se won sa anya good unsa anya good
wo de be man ko foforo won fa ma assembly won fa ma sanitation bio anya wa sa sanitation for disika yakwaji loan na breast sanitation for won fa anya hwe na wo ba obeje fi sanitation for na wo je ye no enya wa sako hwe no sako shi tatatata nso tonshona baby shi who ya dio nkwa ho ba eja hihie Mr. Pad unya ba perfect intro say what pad sanya wide we say pad na be ye bibia mo It took about 15 minutes. You can even waste as much as 1.5 hours. So we are just pleading. They should just come to our aid. Make it a little more trouble so that it will be. I'm a teacher and I'm still here. My learners are in school waiting for the teacher and the teacher is still here. So we are just pleading. They should just come and fix it for us. We beg them. How long have you been waiting? Oh, I got here for almost 4 hours. Yeah, if I'm not, yeah, 4 hours. Because I got here before 6 o'clock and we are still here. It's 9 something. So it's more than almost 3-4 hours we've been here. And so these are the more residents who are gathered here, sharing their flight here. I understand your frustration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
More than 4 hours. More than 4 hours. Join it down. See, we did be a can once. On my way, just say you name on my issue. I walk. For your shady, my papa, and not done who for Dr. Large Mahmoud Bomia, you get them out on my way. Any 2024 elections echo, and no man Dr. Bomia, and then a digital Ghana for some bar, way, a mayor mamona. Monsieur, Maki and Sem Patadi and Sakai. Serious. So in fact, on my bit me could borrow or my be presidency. On my bit me could borrow or my be a leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, Yetimi Enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the is yen because of time. But those ones yetimi go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact, yeah, equipping hospitals not all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, me look say yeah, hospitals and they go sana no me say. It is a Kenyan who say na no me nyina be ya. It is a scan kan kan dey wasa botumi say oh, I mean say we say people for akonfo. Name ma comfort ma sacrifice discard to what they are hospitals na mo so mo ya akonfo. A comfort ma facilitate me say on be fund free seniors mo so mo ya akonfo. You say anya Ghana for dey bi. Na fe na tables na 10 afi dem mokekam kakaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho. Asofo no mo nko ma ntu asofo no with the greatest of respect, omo nko ma ntu ne nko nyina ho. Chief imam for nko ma ntu ne nko nyina ho. Politicians nko ma ntu ne nko nyina ho. Market women omo nko ma ntu ne nko nyina ho. Obi ankara no ntu ne nko nyina ho. 2020 Jua, then we will know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono ba ono the credit scoring system be ba mo so open konketenkete. Nanze bibini na nkasa de se bi ye bibia yanketenkete ya adwen yanketenkete ye bibia ye bia invest square ye yanketenkete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kra ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open konketenkete. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most of them konketenkete. Is any one there? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you tell me ho papa, and I feel them go watch them. Me na wo ne wo sia chem say bi, me na me go catch you Ad3n Dramani say all members come to do one. Ye wa ha. Digitalization ye start say ye mo say there bi. Digitalization and to kinki, nti mo pe kinki sika. Nti amamu papa na ba, o mo ma mo kinki, amamu a ade na mo kam. Ye wo krom ha ya. And the Ad3n Dramani mama could not and can form Gafon catch up say, oh, Gafon, oh, now what they are making and we have utilization here. And I got for so can you but to Banama boom, 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 much about my kinky government. It's me.
Say dear Koya cried him and now to me who let a be a yoke of what Troy about Council of State member voter region. Now Miss Fiums, hey. Ramona Chapa ya hype say where can say Israel train, Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, the letter now was say Council of State member no, were former staff Emanam 1, which is never true.
Onya Juma order.
Onya Juma or da. And Onya Juma or da. Amanam 1 for the first time. Nam 1 I post. Oh yes, Nam 1 I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say, oh, the panel boy.
Or sister.